Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2021 Kia Sorento EX in Sapphire Blue. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot monitoring, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 18,000 miles on the odometer, 10-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, third row seating, power liftgate, 2.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjt.com. Stock number D6516A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.